Naranasan mo na bang tila nalulunod ka sa iba't ibang opinyong galing sa social media, mga kaibigan o pamilya, hindi mo na napapakinggan ang iyong sarili? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. It's so easy to feel lost in all that noise, right? Well, Jesus said something really important. My sheep listen to my voice. What that means for us is learning to tell the difference between all the racket and what's actually true for us. It's about turning down the volume on all those outside pressures and really tuning in to yourself, where that still small voice speaks. What truly feels right deep down? What values really resonate with you? Learning to hear that inner voice, your own true north, takes a little practice. It's about getting better at recognizing and trusting your gut feeling. It also means finding and listening to those genuine people in your life who offer real support and guidance, the ones who just feel right to your soul. So why not take a little time to quiet all the external noise? Think about what truly matters to you. Manalangin tayo. Mapagmahal na Diyos, tulungan mo kaming manahimik upang mapakinggan namin ang munting tinig ng Espiritu Santo sa amin. Naway pahalagahan din namin ang presensya ng mga gumagabay sa amin. Amen.